Hover prides itself on excellent service. We're unique in the fact that we never say no, we always look for a solution.
We can go into any situation and work with any client, and we can actually find out what they need and become that linchpin. There's been times that we've had to go and I guess push the industry a little bit further.
Through these processes have built really good relationships with the regulator to find solutions to problems that maintain safety and don't inhibit the innovation that we're trying to achieve for our clients.
One example of that is when we were doing the shark surveillance. We felt that there needed to be an additional measure, so we came up with inventing a shark alarm that can be attached to these UAVs to help save lives. Projects like this, the logistics really excite me. Making something work, coming up with the solutions and figuring it all out. You've definitely got the logistics skills. We have done that. We've run shark surveillance on multiple beaches at multiple times.
We feel that we have the contacts and we've built the reputation and the relationships with the regulators that we could be of assistance moving into the future.